Picture this: you're in a conversation with someone and suddenly your mind goes blank. Your palms start to sweat, your heart races, and you can feel the awkward silence creeping in. Sound familiar? We've all been there, but what if I told you that you can break the cycle and become a pro at keeping conversations flowing? In this video, I'm going to share with you over 20 tips and tricks on how to never run out of things to say and keep a conversation going. Tip number 1, ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, try asking questions that require more than a one-word answer. This will encourage the other person to share more about themselves and keep the conversation flowing. Tip number 2, listen actively. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and respond in a way that shows you've heard and understood their point of view. This will make them feel heard and understood, and they'll be more likely to keep talking. Tip number 3, share your own experiences. Share stories or anecdotes from your own life to give the other person a chance to relate to what you're saying. This will help build a connection and keep the conversation going. Tip number 4, find common ground. Look for things you have in common with the other person and use that as a jumping off point for conversation. Tip number 5, be curious. Show interest in the other person's life and ask them questions about their hobbies, interests, and experiences. Tip number 6, ask for advice. People love to give advice, and it's a great way to keep a conversation going. Tip number 7, bring up current events. Keep up with the news and bring up interesting stories or events to talk about. Tip number 8, use humor. A well-timed joke or pun can lighten the mood and keep the conversation going. Tip number 9, use storytelling. Share a personal story or a story you heard that relates to the conversation. Tip number 10, use positive reinforcement. Give compliments and express gratitude to keep the conversation positive. Tip number 11, show empathy. Show that you understand and relate to the other person's feelings. Tip number 12, be a good listener. Give the other person your full attention and avoid interrupting them. Tip number 13, ask follow-up questions. Show that you're interested in what the other person is saying and ask for more information. Tip number 14, share your passions. If you're passionate about something, share it with the other person and ask about their passions. Tip number 15, show enthusiasm. Show excitement and energy when talking to keep the conversation lively. Tip number 16, use open body language. Keep your body language open and approachable to make the other person feel comfortable. Tip number 17, use reflective listening. Repeat or paraphrase what the other person has said to show that you understand. Tip number 18, ask about their day. A simple question about someone's day can lead to a deeper conversation. Tip number 19, share a quote. Share a quote that relates to the conversation and ask the other person's thoughts. Tip number 20, use the rule of 3. Share 3 related pieces of information to keep the conversation going. Tip number 21, use the bridge technique. Bring up a topic that you know the other person is interested in to keep the conversation going. Tip number 22, use the one-word technique. Share one word that describes your current mood or feeling and ask the other person to do the same. This can lead to a deeper conversation about emotions and feelings. Tip number 23, use the observation technique. Share an observation about your surroundings or something in the environment and ask the other person for their thoughts. Tip number 24, use the hypotheticals technique. Ask hypothetical questions that start with what if or imagine to spark creative and interesting conversations. Tip number 25, be yourself. Ultimately, the key to keeping a conversation flowing is to be yourself and let the conversation flow naturally. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and share your thoughts and feelings. So, there you have it. Over 20 tips and tricks to help you never run out of things to say and keep a conversation flowing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to put these tips into action and see what works best for you. Happy talking.